That feels like trying to run a marathon with a backpack full of rocks. Most people tell you to just pay it off. But if it were that easy, you would have done it by now. Today, we're going to show you the common sense way to drop the weight for good. Remember Impulse Ivan? His late-night shopping left him with 3 credit cards, a car loan, and a mountain of stress. He's making the minimum payments, but the interest is growing faster than he can pay it down. He feels stuck in the debt trap. There are 2 ways out: the avalanche and the snowball. The avalanche says, pay the highest interest rate first. It's the math way. The snowball says, pay the smallest balance first. It's the behavior way. Common sense Cal knows that for Ivan, math isn't the problem, motivation is. Cal recommends the debt snowball. Why? Because when Ivan pays off that tiny $500 card in month 1, he gets a win. He feels powerful. That momentum snowballs into the next debt and the next. Common sense says, if you see progress, you won't quit. Ivan stopped looking at the mountain and started looking at the first step. 6 months later, the backpack is lighter and the finish line is finally in sight.